So this is a short review of the Shape 450 watt USB-C fast battery charger. I've had this charger for a year now, and it's honestly become one of my favorite parts of my kit. I've transitioned all of my V-mount batteries to ones that can now charge via USB-C. I primarily shoot on travel shows, and I've got zero interest in large, heavy, loud quad chargers that force me to bring extra hard cases. I mean, look at how small this thing is. Here's an Aperture MC to give you a sense of scale of just how tiny this is. I can pack this up into my AKS kit, and there's one less heavy case I have to bring aboard an aircraft. I actually love this thing so much, I just bought a second one to charge the batteries for my production monitor. So here's some of the USB-C batteries I use with this charger. And I'll do a separate video about these at a later time. This is one of those pieces of kit that once you have it, you find yourself using it more than you thought you would. Think about how many pieces of filmmaking kit now charge via USB-C. So what makes this unique compared to an expensive USB-C charger that you might find on Amazon? Well, for starters, the build quality is fantastic. I've taken this all over the country the past year, and it's never had a problem, and it's still in great shape. It's an all-metal exterior, and it's got these great rubber feet that really resist tipping over. There's a fan, but it's very quiet, especially compared to fast quad chargers that I've used. And you really do want this fan. Proper thermal management is a big part of why inexpensive Amazon chargers are limited in their longevity, but more importantly, how fast each USB port can charge. This Shape charger has 6 USB-C fast charging ports that are all capable of 100 watts of power delivery charging. So take this IDX battery. It's capable of charging at 65 watts through its USB-C port. So I can plug in 6 of these into a tiny charger. That'd be pulling 390 watts, and I'd still have enough overhead to use both USB-A ports at their maximum output. Now if I wanted to charge these small rig batteries that can charge at 100 watts, I'd only plug in 4 so I can keep their charging speed at their maximum. A really great feature is the LCD display. Here you can see how many volts, amps, and watts are being utilized at any given time by each port. Maybe you have a device or a cable that's not charging properly. This is a great tool for troubleshooting issues like that. So in summary, if you want a USB-C charger that can hold up to the rigors of set life, if you want to get rid of those big, heavy quad chargers, if you want a clean, elegant way of charging all the various USB-C devices we have on set, this is the way to go.